Welcome to another van life adventure. After 4 weeks road tripping Tasmania, we're heading deep into the remote forest for a gorgeous off-grid camp. Surrounded by towering ancient trees, we cook a cosy meal, go big tree spotting and soak in the wild Tassie landscape. Let's dive in, this one's gonna be good.
Holy dooly. That is a big tree. Don't know what that tree is, but it's huge. Sasha reckons it's a stringy bark.
Yeah,
stringy bark. Dad built our house out of stringy bark. I didn't know they got so big. What are you doing? You a bit worried. You thought I was going to run away. Come on. Holy dooly, he made some noise then, didn't he? Thirsty boy, eh? Hey, no? No more? It's really hard to get the size of these trees on camera, but they're big trees. So a fire came through here in 2019 and killed one of the big trees. It was the second biggest eucalypt in the world at the time.
A lot of them were actually already test trees.
We're in. What do you reckon, Frank?
It's a whole new world up there. What are you doing, Freddie?
We've got a 50-cent piece, and there's a tree down there that's been chopped.
Completely missed. Family photo.
Buddy, family photo.
Family photo.
Family photo. He's protesting.
Look, I feel like an idiot. It's wobbly. Wobble, 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 wobble.
Ooh, when we figure out what the resonance of this is, we can have a little dance off. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Ooh. So we're currently standing on a cantilever that's, well, it's not that long. It's like 15 meters long, but it's probably like 40 meters off the ground. Oh, this thing is primed. We're going to release you into the wild. There we go, buddy. So we're going to start heading towards our camp for the night. We're hoping to snag a spot in the forest. There's a small little camp area next to the road that we came in on to get here today. And we're hoping that we can have a fire for dinner. It's probably going to get pretty cold in here tonight. Yeah. Last night it got down to 8 degrees.
10 years ago.
Yeah. Hello, sweetheart.
You can be a bit shy sometimes.
Yeah, he's a bit of a shy one. Oh, I'm so full. Frank, you're a funny guy.
Oh, Apple? You fall asleep as if you're a big boy.
Campsite for the night. Well, this looks alright. Well, we weren't expecting to find this today. We thought we were going to be further down the coast on the shore somewhere.
Dog's coming.
This is such a nice spot. We've completely fluked this one. Just Tassie coming up with the goods. It's magical, yeah. Marianne's just wandered out of the bushes over here. That bridge. It's a nice wide bridge. Very sturdy. So 2016 they had a massive windstorm come through and it blew a lot of trees down. So there's just so many trees. Handy though if you want to get across the creek. Good thing is we've got lots of firewood. Lots of firewood. Oh, I've been here 5 minutes and I've already used this bridge 3 times.
Spud to a mirror and then that's smooth in the picture.
Well, we've got the fire going and we've decided we're going to have fish tonight. We're going to have salad with fish and potatoes in the fire tonight. We've given up on the pork belly idea because it was just a bit too rich after our big lunch today. But what a spot. It's just such a spot. Such a lovely spot. Someone's got a little bit of a, oh, I don't know what this is, some sort of shrine. There's probably some voodoo juju in here. Oh, I probably shouldn't have touched that. Chopping lots of wood. We want to get this fire pumping. Oh wow, that's so much heat. Yeah, I need like a glove all the way up to my elbow. Oh look.
Red.
That was hot. That's a hot. It's a hot fire.
Your eyes are red.
Yeah.
Glassy.
We're
Yeah.
gonna do pork belly another night.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow night.
Maybe tomorrow.
We should try and do it tomorrow night for Marianne's last night here with us.
All the smoke's going in the van. Ugh, I just did the washing and bloody smoke perpetually. And the dog's eating charcoal. Grubby boy.
Oh, it's hot. Woo! Hot. Frank, mate, can you just come away from there? There's some hot rocks here. Some hot rocks, mate. Just Just, you know, just. I reckon they're done. These are cooked, so we're just going to put them near the fire to keep them warm. Put that one there. Put that one there. Time to cook some fish. We'll throw the fish on. We're not going to flour the fish, we're just going to keep it bare. And we'll cook it fast. I'll just let it heat up a little bit, just to burn off any of Frankie's
Spit.
cooties, you know. It's hot. Hey,
Frankie,
hey.
can you please be
Hey.
careful?
Come on.
Fire safety, mate.
Come on, bud. You're supposed to be the fire warden. You should know better. So these little tongs here are Korean barbecue tongs. We actually got these when we were on a trip to Korea, maybe nearly a year ago now, was it? But they're the best little tongs. Australian tongs tend to be made of two parts with a little hinge at the pivot point, but this is just one piece of steel. You can adjust it, make it a little bit wider. They're just the best tongs, so simple. And they've got so much grip. Look at this dog. You're a liability, bud. Just get out of here. Come on. You're going to get burnt, mate. Oh, we've lost a potato in the fire. Oh God.
What?
Got to prove those tongs worth. Wow, that looks good. These potatoes have really thick skins, so sometimes it's a bit hard to tell. That one I didn't turn. I actually put it back in the same. I think it's cooked though.
Do you want to put mine on?
Oh, do you cook it, do you?
Yeah, you gotta heat it up.
Sorry. So this is hot smoked salmon that Marion got specially, and we're just gonna warm it up a bit. Okay, are you supervising? What's going on here? Oh, bon appetit.
Thanks for that. And thank you, Freddie.
Thank you. Frankie's on the table feeling very left out.
Yeah.
I'd say that's cooked pretty good. Probably slightly over, but it's still quite juicy in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
How's yours?
I haven't even tried it
You
yet.
haven't even touched your fish?
No.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna get through my greens first.
Oh really? Bit old fashioned of you. Alrighty guys, we're going to call it a night. We're pretty knackered. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.